Everyone's talking about AI, but which tools are actually worth your time? Here are the 5 AI tools that are genuinely changing how people work, learn, and create in 2026. Number 1. ChatGPT. It's the starting point for most people, and for good reason. Ask it anything, write anything, summarize anything. It browses the web, generates images, and connects to hundreds of apps. If you only try one AI tool, make it this one. Number 2. Google Gemini. Already built into Gmail, Docs, and Search, Gemini is the AI that meets you where you already are. Great for drafting emails, planning your day, and answering questions without leaving Google. If you live in Google's world, Gemini just fits. Number 3. Perplexity. Think of it as Google, but smarter. Instead of a list of links, you get a direct answer with real sources you can actually verify. It's the best AI tool for research, fact-checking, and staying informed without the noise. Number 4. Claude. Where ChatGPT does everything, Claude does writing exceptionally well. Long emails, detailed reports, complex instructions, Claude handles them with a level of clarity that's hard to match. If you write for work, Claude is your secret weapon. Number 5. Notebook LM by Google. Upload your PDFs, notes, or research, and Notebook LM turns them into a personal AI expert on exactly that content. It's completely free and one of the most underrated tools available right now. All 5 tools are free to start. Links in the description. Subscribe for weekly AI breakdowns that actually